already started. And you said you quite like that dress. There we are.
Yeah,
see,
nice.
She's going to look very glamorous in that.
You can start Christmas shopping now, can't you?
And naturally, it's of course going to be a white Christmas.
Of course it is. What are the odds?
Oh, yeah, it's a definite.
1,000,000 to 1.
Yeah. Or I will stress at this point before I have a Michael Fish moment that I am joking, although considering the summer we've just had, who knows? And certainly today, after a very cloudy start, things certainly brightened up. We had some decent spells of sunshine this afternoon. In fact, for some of us at times, unbroken sunshine. It was certainly a lovely day for a trip to the coast. And look at these temperatures. The average for this time of year is 19 degrees Celsius. Some of us today, for example in Milden Hall in Suffolk, reached 26 degrees Celsius, 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Now overnight tonight we start off dry and clear, but eventually as a cold front starts to push in from the west, we're going to start to see cloud thickening up, and the thickest of this, especially in the west, could produce a little bit of patchy rain here and there. But for most of us it's a dry night and a mild one too. Temperatures no lower than about 14 or 15 degrees Celsius, and for us the winds probably picking up towards the end of the night and into tomorrow morning. So these are the remnants of ex-Hurricane Helene. They stay to the north of us tomorrow, as does the wet weather, but as this cold front pulls away, it should eventually take the cloud with it. So an overcast start to the day, but as that cold front pushes out into the North Sea, it should become drier and brighter with some decent sunny spells, and temperatures again around 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So a warm day, but very windy. We're looking at these southwesterlies possibly gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour at times, the strongest gusts expected in the north of the region. And then on Wednesday, we're in between two weather systems, but the isobars are still very close together. So I think on Wednesday, again, a warm and windy day. We will have areas of cloud moving through, but some decent sunny spells, and perhaps the thickest of the cloud producing a little bit of patchy rain here and there. But for most of us, Wednesday is another dry day. Again, we could see highs of around 24 Celsius. And again, at times, we could have gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. So that's Wednesday. Thursday's weather, very dependent on how quickly this system pushes down from the northwest, bringing some rain. So at the moment, I think it'll take its time. So Thursday, as it stands, we may well get some sunshine to start the day, then the cloud increasing, and as that front pushes down, it's likely to introduce some rain, possibly heavy at times. And again on Thursday, we could see winds gusting to around 40 miles an hour. But come Friday, it's looking largely fine and dry everywhere, and we should at last start to see those winds easing down. As for the weekend and into next week, well, at the moment, largely fine and dry. There's just the chance that the weather front that brings us the rain on Thursday comes back up again from the south and introduces some rain for a time over the weekend. But at the moment, we'll go for a fine and dry one. And as for your overnight lows, here they are. So we stay in double figures for a few nights, but my goodness, Friday and Saturday night are looking pretty chilly, especially Friday with lows of around 5 Celsius. See you later.